Then segment 17, advanced ruling. So in that advanced ruling, actually for MCQ purpose only it will be relevant. So advanced ruling authority will be pronouncing a ruling, and that ruling will be with respect to certain questions. What are the questions on which we can seek advanced ruling? Remember all the index. You take the index of this book. Please take the index of this book. So from taxable event till registration chapter, everything we can go for advanced ruling except place of supply. Okay. From taxable event chapter to registration chapter, on all questions we can go for advanced ruling except place of supply. Whether an activity is supply or not, what is the value to be taken, what is the rate to be taken, what is the time of supply, and whether input tax credit is available or not available. So all questions we can go for advanced ruling except place of supply. So say this. So supply, eligible questions for advanced ruling: supply, classification, valuation, registration, tax liability determination, time of supply, input tax credit, applicability of notifications means exemptions. So what are the cases where advanced ruling is not possible? Place of supply, returns, payment process, penalties, appeals, etc. On that we cannot go for advanced ruling. And advanced ruling authority will pronounce the ruling. What is the time limit within which they will pronounce the ruling? 90 days from the date of application. And this authority for advanced ruling is a central level authority or a state level authority. State level authority means separate AAR is there for each state, there is no central AAR. And when application can be made, either before commencement of the activity or with respect to ongoing activity. Who can make application for advanced ruling? Either registered person or unregistered person. And what is the fee for advanced ruling? 5,000 rupees under CGST and 5,000 rupees under SGST. Can the application be withdrawn? There is no express provision related to this. And when the application for advanced ruling will be rejected? If the matter is pending in or decided by any court or tribunal, then with respect to such issue, advanced ruling will not be given. If the matter is pending in any proceedings or decided by any court or tribunal, with respect to such matters, means with respect to such issues, advanced ruling is not possible. Then if the advanced ruling authority pronounces a ruling, that will be binding on the applicant and the department. Another person having the same issue also cannot rely upon the advanced ruling. And advanced ruling, authority for advanced ruling has pronounced the ruling. On that, can we go for appeal? Yes, we can go for appeal to appellate authority for advanced ruling, AAR. And what is the time limit within which we need to go for appellate authority for advanced ruling? 30 days plus 30 days. Again, the AAR also, national or state level authority, it's a state level authority. And what is the fees? First appeal, first advanced ruling authority, WR, the fees is 5,000 plus 5,000, whereas AAR, the fees will be 10,000 plus 10,000. And this AAR, appellate authority for advanced ruling, will pronounce the ruling within 90 days from the date of application. So these monetary limits and the time limits only we need to remember in this. So that will be tested for MCQ purpose.